Hey guys, in today's video I will show you how to center text in box in Adobe InDesign. Press T to activate the type tool. Create text box by clicking and dragging. With the text selected, find the paragraph option in Properties panel or go to Window, Type and Tables and choose Paragraph. Align the text to the center using the Element option in Paragraph panel. Right-click on the text frame and choose Text Frame Options. In the Text Frame options, under Vertical Justification, select Center. Click OK to apply changes. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking video.